back to Vita Naturale TV. If today is your first time coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, turn on that notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you can come and check it out. So my amazing people, in today's video is all about review. I'll be showing you some little things that I got from AliExpress. So these things are very affordable. I have a lot of things here. They brought it for me yesterday because I made this shopping that was about a month ago. You guys know AliExpress. Whenever you want to make shopping there, you just make those shopping, then forget about it, okay? Because sometimes it takes them 2 months, 3 months for them to bring the things for you. So I made this shopping that was a month ago. I wasn't expecting it yesterday. I thought they are going to bring it next month because they actually write July 9 that I'm going to receive all these things. But I was so surprised yesterday I got them. So first of all, this is a shoe. So this shoe, I got it from AliExpress. So I got this shoe for my son. You can see it. Look at the shoe, so beautiful. Let me open it, guys. You can see the under. So look at the amazing shoe. So all these things are very affordable, guys. You guys know me. I'm not that kind of person who always lie. No. So if you have, you can slay with any amount you have. You know, when you go to AliExpress, just settle down, make those shopping, even on Amazon, because I normally shop on Amazon. I registered on Amazon, and later I went to AliExpress also. I also registered on AliExpress because there are certain things you can get in AliExpress. They don't have it on Amazon. So that is the reason why I decided to register both Amazon and the AliExpress. So look at this beautiful shoe. You can see it. So beautiful, guys. So I got this on AliExpress. Look at it. Very beautiful. This one is for my son. I just got it for my son yesterday. So I have another thing here. Yeah, I think look at this one. So I think this one is it shower cap? Look at it. I got this one also from AliExpress. Can you see it? All these things are very affordable, guys. So can you see that? So beautiful, guys. Can you see it? So amazing. So I got this one also from AliExpress. Then I haven't opened this one yet. Okay. This is jewelry that I got from AliExpress, guys. Can you see it? Look at these jewelries. All these things are very affordable, my beautiful people. So I have no reason why I'll be lying here. So I don't know how to lie, okay? It doesn't really matter if you have thousands of euro that you can buy things, you know, beautiful things. No. Sew your coat according to your size. That is what I normally tell people on my channel. Even in the other of my channel before, you guys know that I have another channel before that was demonetized by YouTube. So I normally say it there. Sew your coat according to your size, okay? It doesn't really matter if you have like 100 euro or 50 euro. You can still make use of 50 euro very well. You can still make shopping with it very well. All that matters is how you use those things, okay? Look at these beautiful earrings. I got this one from AliExpress. Can you see it? I got these things from AliExpress. This is the earring. It's a set. Okay. This is the necklace that comes with it. So, guys, let me fix it. Can you see it? You see? Can you see it? Just take a look at it, guys. So beautiful. So beautiful. So all these things are very, very affordable. I don't see any reason why I will be lying to you, my beautiful, amazing people. Can you see it? So, and also I still have some things here. This one I have not opened it yet. With this, I don't know what is inside because I made a lot of shopping there. A lot. Wait, let me open this one. This is another earrings. Look at it. I got this earring also from AliExpress. Wow, this is so beautiful. So amazing, my beautiful people. Can you see that? Can you see the earrings? So I got these ones also from AliExpress. It's very, very affordable. So very, very affordable, my amazing people. Okay, I have another thing here. I haven't opened this one yet too. I have to open this, but I don't know what is inside because I made a lot of shopping. A lot. Okay, this one is another chain. Yes, I remember. This is another beautiful chain also. Look at it. This one is another beautiful one. Can you see it? This is another beautiful chain also. So I got this from AliExpress. Then let me check this one. Okay, this is another one. I also buy this one. I remember the day I shopped for this. Oh my god. This one is for kitchen, okay? In case maybe you want to measure your salt, sugar, or anything. You see the size. Okay, this one is spoon, okay? I never knew they are going to bring it for me. Oh my god. Okay guys, let's continue. Then I also shop for this. This is lip gloss. I don't know. Look at it. It's very, very small, but I never knew it's going to come this way. Okay, when I saw it on the picture, it was very, very big, so I never knew it's going to small like this. Look at it. I've already started using it, so I just use this purple now. You can see the purple on my lips. So look at it. They have beautiful colors. This is purple, black, brown, even red, pink. They have it. So when I shop for this palette, it was very, very big. You know, the way they put the picture, it was very, very big. I said, wow, I'm going to buy this thing. So I was so surprised when they bring this for me. This actually came. That was last week. Yeah, this one came last week. So the rest of it came yesterday. When I saw it, I was so surprised. I said, what? It wasn't like this when I saw it on the, you know, on the phone when I was shopping. It wasn't like this. So I said, well, no problem. Anyhow, just look at it. Anyway, it's very, very beautiful. Okay, so then there is another one. So this parcel here, this one is not from AliExpress. So guys, I just want to advise you today, in case you are making shopping online, please be careful the websites you go. So that was about 3 weeks ago. I was doing something on the internet, then I come across one web. So there were a lot of beautiful clothes, you know, amazing things in that web. So I don't want to measure it. No, to not like I'm just spoiling their business. No, I don't want to measure it. So when I saw this thing here, I decided to make the order. Look at it. This is shorthand suit. I don't know. Look at the label. The label is still on it. You can see it. Made in Italy, new collection. I don't know if you can see it, guys. It's actually made in Italy. I don't know. This light too. Okay. Made in Italy. So when I saw this cloth there, I just fell in love with this amazing, beautiful dress. I never knew it's going to look like this. Okay, I never knew it's going to look like this. So I decided to order for this cloth here. I'm going to put the original picture. I don't know if I still have the picture. I'm going to go back to the web and put it so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. In case I don't see the picture anymore, just take it like that. So I thought it have pockets. Look at what they brought for me. This thing is rubbish. I never knew it's going to look like this. Just look at, very big, oversized. See, when they brought it for me, I was like, what is this? So I just have to packet it back. I said I'm going to refund it. Do you know the amazing thing now is that to refund it, I'm going to pay extra money to refund it. Oh my God. Just look at, see what I got on the internet. Look at it. Since almost 2 weeks now, everything. Look at it. Since almost 2 weeks is here. I said I'm not going to wear it. So I even wanted to give it to my daughter. My daughter said, what am I going to do with this thing? So when I saw it on the internet, it was very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I fell in love with this amazing dress. I never knew it's going to look like this. I never knew it's going to look like this. So my dear brothers and my sister, whenever you are making shopping on the internet, because the reason why I bought this thing, that was when I ordered it. I think it was a month ago or 2 months ago I ordered it. Yes, it was 2 months ago I ordered it. But I never knew it's going to look like this. And now, the worst thing is that for me to refund it back to the company, they charge me. You know, I take it to poster. I wanted to repost it back to them. I said, no, this thing, I don't like it. This is not what I ordered for. So it's going to take me about 12 to 15 euro to send it back. So I just decided, I said, well, let me just forget it. You know, those people now, I will not go back to their website and order anything again. Even my husband was very, very angry with me. My husband said, anything you see on the internet, you must surely buy. Why don't you stick to one place? You registered on Amazon, you registered on AliExpress, and now you are still going to this website to order things. Why not just, you know, focus on that AliExpress or Amazon? Because Amazon things, everything I have in this house, even my this thing, my AC, I bought it on Amazon. My what is it called, a sweeping machine, I bought it from Amazon. My Albero di Natale, I bought it from Amazon. A lot of things that I got from Amazon, they are so straightforward, people. Even on AliExpress, once I make order on AliExpress, I will just drop a short note for them. Before you know it, under 2 weeks or 3 weeks, everything I bought there, they will just bring it to my house. So I don't know. I'm going to throw the cloth away. I don't like it. I'm going to throw it away. It's very, very big. It's not my size. And the design, I don't like it. I'm going to throw it away. So guys, that is it for today. You see what I shop on AliExpress. All these things are so amazing, beautiful, so affordable. Most especially, I love this necklace. I'm so in love with this. All these things are complete. So this is earring, necklace, and also this earring. You can see it. It's so affordable, guys. So I will advise you, whenever you want to make shopping, even if it is 10 euro, guys, look, everything gets how am I going to put it? Okay, sew your coat according to your size. There is time for everything. Even if you have 10 euro, you have 20 euro or 30 euro. If you want to get beautiful things for yourself, you can still make it, guys. Okay, don't allow anybody to deceive you. That is what I normally tell people. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. You can still slay with 50 euro. You can slay with 100 euro. Depends how you use it. Just look at this amazing cap. Look at it. Look at this amazing, beautiful cap. Whenever I saw some women putting it on their head, I said, wow, you know, I admire beautiful things. So all these things are very, very affordable, guys. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. This one is another chain. See? So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Put down your comments. Please, I want to beg you people for one thing, please. If you know that you have community tab, why not help your girl to share, okay? Please share my videos now. You guys know I have to start all over again. It's not easy after I lost the order of my channel, so I just have to start all over again. Please help me to share some of my videos, okay? Sharing will not cost you anything, okay? Sharing will not cost you anything, just to help one another, guys. So thank you all so much for watching.